Okay, now that we have cleaned all of our data, now let's featurize. So let's go to the features API. So we'll do cd again to get back into Allie folder, get into the features folder, and now the audio features folder. And all we need to do is do featurize py, and it'll featurize everything via the default featurizers. Oops, forgot the file path. Now I'll go through all the mails. It's going to transcribe all of them as well through the deep speech model. As you see here, it's downloading the deep speech model. The reason for that is it knows that transcribe audio in the default settings is equal to true. So it's going to download everything really fast. Here, just give it a second. And then it will go through and featurize everything. And I'll just quickly show you what it looks like. I won't go to the very end here because it might take a while with the video file size. But once it featurizes a few in this folder, I'll show you. I think it was the mails folder. So take a second, download it. The deep speech model is pretty awesome. If you don't know the deep speech model, you can check it out here. Deep speech. It's open source, I guess, repository and machine learning model for speech recognition. The goal is to replace a lot of the proprietary engines for speech recognition with this model. Fostered by Mozilla, Firefox, and others. So I'm a huge fan of this, the community. All right, almost done downloading. So take one more second. All right, cool. It's running the inference, as you see. It is predicting some transcripts you see here. This was the transcript of it. We can go to this file just to see if the transcript's right. So do 31 cleaned. Should be creating some JSON. There we go. Let's do, this is the one that I was looking at. And you can see it's an audio sample type. It has the dictionary of the audio transcript here. If I play this file, you can hear it really fast.
Of course, right from the get-go, you know, there were so many questions I would ask James, and he'd be...
Yeah, so that's pretty good transcript. And then it has all the features here, Librosa features, and all the labels. So I just want to show you guys how to quickly query these, because it might be not intuitive to understand what exactly is going on. So let's just go to the desktop, Allie, training directory, where this is at, and then mails. So this is where all the files are at. Go import JSON really fast, open up that file, which is here, 31 cleaned .json. This is the JSON file. And if we go in here to features, audio, here are all the features. And if you want the actual numerical features, you can do same thing as before to get this array. And Librosa features is the features that we want. And these are the features. So these are all the features. And if you want the labels, numerical labels. We'll just say labels. So these are all the labels, and if you want to just zip everything together, you could do something like this. Labels, feature, numerical labels. And you can see here are all the features mapped to the labels, which you could easily pull and just do just to get an idea of what everything is. So this is a way to kind of parse these files in a way that you might be used to. You can see here, it's just a standard dictionary now with everything. So, so yeah, this is a pretty awesome feature array. Check out the documentation and learn more. So yeah, so let this finish, and I'll also go to the next step when this is ready.